Hey there, little drivers. I'm Officer Sid, your friendly traffic police. Today, we're gonna play a super fun game. Can you guess the vehicle just by hearing its sound? Let's get started. All right, here comes your first mystery vehicle. Listen closely. Clue number 1, this vehicle helps keep everyone safe in the city, just like me. Clue number 2, it has flashing lights and can zoom really fast. Clue number 3, you'll hear it say woo woo. Did you guess it? That's right, it's a police car.
I protect my people and keep the city safe.
Let's keep the fun rolling. Here comes the next sound. Clue number 1, this vehicle is big and bright red. Clue number 2, it carries brave firefighters and water to stop fires. Clue number 3, you'll spot a tall ladder on top and hear it go nee-now. Did you figure it out? You got it, it's a fire truck.
I save people from the fire.
You're doing a blazing good job. Get ready, because a sweet surprise is coming next. Ooh, I hear something tasty. Can you guess this one? Clue number 1, it plays cheerful music that makes kids smile. Clue number 2, it's full of yummy frozen treats for hot days. Clue number 3, you'll find it rolling around parks and neighborhoods in summer. What do you think it is? Yum yum, you guessed it, it's an ice cream truck.
Zoom, zoom, here I come, bringing scoops for everyone.
Delicious job. All right, let's clean things up with one last sound. Clue number 1, this one shows up early in the morning. Clue number 2, it helps keep our city nice and clean. Clue number 3, when it picks up bins, it goes clank, clank. Got your guess ready? That's right, it's a garbage truck.
Toss your trash right, I'll take it out of sight.
You cleaned up that answer perfectly. Which one was your favorite? I'll see you next time for more soundtastic fun. Until then, stay safe and keep listening.
Color pencil.